Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And unable to download any app from the Microsoft Store. So no worry about that. Click to start, type, click to start and go to setting. Then click to app. Then install app. Scroll down, find out Microsoft Store. Scroll down, install app. Then last one, you can see the system component. They click on it, and then this is Microsoft Store, so click on three dot, then advanced option, then scroll down, click to reset, and then click to repair, and just single click to terminate also. Okay, then it is closed. Then click to start and type cmd, right click to run as the administrator, then type sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. So this command for mostly repair to your system. Sometime what happened, it will corrupt the windows file, that's why getting issue. So no worry, you can use this command to repair your system files and all system required files, required data. So I already tried because of testing, that's why it's getting required the restart first, and after that it will run. Okay, so you are getting same issue, same error, so need to restart. Because of this, service will restart and then again apply this command. So this is 100% require, 100% surety this will resolve it your system issue, and after that restart your system. Thank you guys, and if you are facing some issue, so please comment me, I will make the video new for this. Thank you.